Understanding Collision Coverage, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an important aspect of car insurance called collision coverage. Understanding this term is crucial if you're driving or planning to own a car, especially in English-speaking countries. Let's dive into what collision coverage means and why it's important for you. Collision coverage is a type of car insurance that helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident with another vehicle or an object, such as a fence or a tree. It's important to note that collision coverage is optional and is different from liability coverage, which is required by law in many places and covers damages to other people's property and injuries if you're at fault in an accident. When you have collision coverage, and you're involved in an accident, you will first need to pay a deductible. A deductible is an amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance starts covering the rest of the costs. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and the repair costs for your car are $2,000, you will pay $500, and your insurance will cover the remaining $1,500. You should consider adding collision coverage to your insurance policy if your car is new or expensive, you're still paying off your car loan or have a lease, you can't afford to repair or replace your car on your own in case of an accident. It's a way to protect your investment in your vehicle and ensure you're not left without transportation after an accident. It's also useful to understand the difference between collision coverage and comprehensive coverage. While collision coverage pays for damages from accidents involving another vehicle or object, comprehensive coverage pays for damages caused by other incidents, like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Together, they provide a full range of protection for your vehicle beyond what's covered by basic liability insurance. I hope this video has helped clarify what collision coverage is and how it can benefit you as a car owner. Remember, choosing the right insurance coverage is about assessing your needs and understanding the options available to you. Stay safe on the roads, and see you in our next video. Remember, understanding your insurance options can save you a lot of trouble and expense in the long run. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.